What do you see? Let's learn the alphabet by filling in the blanks with the correct uppercase letters. A. Point to each one and write the letter in the blank space. B. What letter goes in the blank? That's right, E. Point to each one and write the letter in the blank space. I. L. What letter goes in the blank? O. R. U. W. Z. Good job! There is a lowercase letter teaching tool next to the uppercase letters. Let's put the lowercase letters on the right and write them with colored pencils. Lowercase a, lowercase b, lowercase c. Lowercase d, lowercase e, lowercase f. Lowercase g, lowercase h, lowercase I. Good job! This time, let's write the lowercase letters in alphabetical order starting from J. Lowercase j, lowercase k, lowercase l. Lowercase m, lowercase n, lowercase o. Lowercase p, lowercase q, lowercase r. Good job! Write lowercase letters from S to Z. Lowercase s, lowercase t, lowercase u. V, W, X, lowercase y, Z. Good job! Let's read each uppercase letter and match it to the correct animal. D. What animal starts with the letter D? Found it! It's a duck! D is for duck. R. Find the animal that starts with R. Found it! R is for raccoon. T. What animal starts with the letter T? Found it! T is for turtle. Ladybug starting with L. L. L is for ladybug.
Ah!
Good job!